Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be unboxing some of the items that we are going to be doing for the month of December. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So happy Thanksgiving, you guys. This video is going to be specially for the viewers that enjoy doing crafts. I have 3 unboxes that I'm going to be unboxing today, and so let's just go straight to it. First one that I got here, this was actually I think this was a Walmart buy. I had to get it because it says hanging with my nomies. This is a cross stitching kit. And it has everything to make this really cute design. I'm kind of into the gnomes right now, especially for the holiday season. And of course, the saying is just baller. So let's just tear into this. And comment below, let me know if you've done any Walmart, Target kits that you found interesting. Oh, this tape is really, look what it did here. This is probably not the best idea. Well, at least you know that nothing is gonna fall out. All right. It comes with the plastic. No, this is wooden. I love wood better than plastic for some reason. Comes with the wooden ring. Comes with the embroidery floss, and we will find out if it's enough to create the image. I like how they have their little color tabs here. Of course, you can see it here, but it's not printed, so that's the sad part. I'm so spoiled. I'm used to having the image printed on the canvas. So we're gonna actually have to like count and everything. And so here's the canvas that it comes with. Okay. Put this in here. Here is the instructions. Wow, this is fairly... Oh, it's just thick paper. I was like, this is legit. Okay. It has 3 languages. French and Spanish. No. Perhaps. Maybe. Oh, and here's the pattern. And it's a symboled pattern, and here's the legend. This is where the colors that it'll say to pick from and the name of it. The symbols that you'll find on the pattern. And then certain kind of stitches to use. So I guess we're going to have to use some special stitching. Okay, that's cool. Teaches you some other stitches. Oh, I hate the French knot. Okay. And then here's the picture again. Oh, I guess the French knots are here. I really don't want to have to do them because I don't know how to do them very well. But that's that kit. Again, this one was a Walmart find. You can find it in the craft section of Walmart, and they have different photos. I mean, different kinds. Okay. Next one here is from Majamuse. I like this company a lot. The designs are really cute and fairly simple. Last month I did 3 different kits from them. This year I am doing 1 kit of Majamuse for Christmas. And again, like I said, I'm into the gnome thing, so I'm doing gnomes for this one. This one's going to be really cute. So let's open this up. And here we have all the different color yarns that we're going to be using. And I like their spools because I can try to find the center and pick it out. Sometimes it is just sticking out, which is always fun. I like how they pack that. These, not so much. Very sloppy. Here's the stuffing. They're vacuum sealed, so unless you need it, don't open it. That thing is gonna expand. Here's a glue stick, so this tells you you're gonna need a glue gun. We have the two crochet hooks. This is 3mm. And these are probably gonna be for the hats. We've got some wire. Only 2, which is weird because we're making 3. And then we have, oh my gosh, look, little pom-poms. We have more of those wonderful stitch markers. We have a huge needle. And then we have the instructions. Huh, I wonder what kind of, they might have mistakenly missed one. Let's see. Here's the instruction book. Again, it's very clear. I like it. What we will be doing, and you can comment below ahead what you'd like for me to work on first for the month of December. I won't be able to make everything that I'm showing you today, but first dibs on whoever requests, you know, whichever design first. So here is the red gnome hat one. So you have a Santa gnome. We have a green gnome. Oh, it's a Christmas tree gnome. And then the last one is a reindeer. Maybe this is the one that doesn't need the wire. Oh, look how cute. So these are the gnomes. This is the reindeer one. The Christmas tree one. And then, of course, the Santa one. Okay. So we have that. This is going to be, oh no, really cute. Last year we did different company kits. And I'm actually using it as decoration now. These ones will probably be the same. Use it as decoration. I never know what to do with these things after I make them. Okay, so that's that. And I'll leave all the direct links in the description box for you guys. And last but not least, I got this because this is where you get a big bang for your buck. I don't know, I forgot the price point. These are all Amazon, by the way. Oh, except for the Walmart one. Magimuse and this one are from Amazon. And this one is packed with a lot, so that's why I ended up getting it. I'll probably focus a lot from here. I'm actually afraid to remove it because I don't know if I could put it back. But look at this, you guys. If you want an activity for the whole month of December, this is where it's at. Wow. I don't even know where to begin. Okay. You can make a gingerbread man. Everything that you need is in this kit. I'm not going to take it out because it's pretty much the same things. It has the yarn and all of the accessories you need to make it, the stuffing, and then of course you will find the instructions in there. I can see it's a booklet, but again, comment below. Let me know which ones you want me to work on first. But yeah, so we have a cute gingerbread man. We have a snowman. Why do they call it Snowman Daddy? Oh, look, there's like little plastic branches. How funny is that? Okay. Christmas tree. Ooh, wow. Charms. Look at all these stitch markers. Little puff balls. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna like doing these. Okay. Oh, look, it's a cute fawn. How cute. Love the colors. That's a Santa Claus with glasses. Are you kidding me? Look at the glasses. No way. That's cute. And then last but not, we have, oh, a snowman mom. They should have a snowman baby then. What the hell? Anyway. Okay. Like I said, you guys. So this one box came with, and I'm surprised with how it's packed because the way they show it on Amazon, just all this stuff laid out. So I thought it would have been a total mess, but this is very organized, so I like that. So again, comment below, let me know what you'd like for me to start with. Otherwise, I'm just gonna pick what I want to start with. And make room for everything. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. Whatever it is or however it is you're doing, be safe, be merry, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.